Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will calculate the mean through direct method. In the previous videos of analytical chemistry, we have touched upon techniques used in analytical chemistry, and in the previous video, we have talked about basics of mean. In this video, we will specifically solve this example through direct method. As we all know that solving mean, we have three types of methods. First, direct method, second, assumed mean method, and third is step deviation method. So we will start this example through direct method. So this question says that calculate the mean for the given data class interval, a certain intervals given here, and the number of students corresponding to the intervals are given here. So number of students are belonging to the intervals, so we can say that number of students are working as a frequency, because frequency is the number of a certain quantity which is belonging in a certain interval. So first we will discuss this question through direct method. So in order to find the mean through direct method, we will draw a another table for this solution. So class interval, number of students, class intervals I am copying as it is from the example. And number of students given here. So first we will calculate xi. Now what is xi? Xi is the average of intervals given here. Means if we talk about this interval, the lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So it will call the average of these two. So 10 plus 25, 35 divided by 2, 17.5. Like this we will do in whole column. 40 plus 25, 65 by 2, 32.5. 95 divided by 2, 47.5. 125 divided by 2, 62.5. 155 divided by 2, 77.5. 85 plus 100, 185 divided by 2, 92.5. So like this we have calculated xi, and now we can denote number of students as frequency. So the denotation sign for the frequency is fi. Now we will calculate fi xi. Means we will multiply these two elements of a row. Means we have to multiply these two columns. First 2 multiplied by 17.5 is 35. 3 is multiplied by this and 7 is multiplied by this, so we will repeat this in whole column. So 3 into 32.5, 97.5. So I have multiplied and calculated fi xi. So the formula for calculation of mean, we will denote mean by x bar. So the formula is summation of fi xi divided by capital N. So what is capital N? Capital N is the sum of all frequencies. So our x bar will be a summation of fi xi. So we have to add all elements belonging to this column fi xi. So the summation will be so the summation will be 1860 divided by capital N. Sum of all frequencies will comes out to be 30. Now we will divide, it will be 62.0. So our mean will be 62.0. This is our final answer. This is the way in which we can calculate mean through direct method. In the upcoming videos we will talk about calculation of mean through assumed mean method and step deviation method. So thank you so much guys for watching this. Do not forget about like, share and subscribe to this video, because it will give me a kind of inspiration for making more videos like this. Thank you so much.